Dogecoin cost most certainly remained at $0.0870 a coin. The present range, $0.0869. $0.0886. Yesterday's nearby, $0.0877. The change, 0.0007. 0.80% in a very enormous way. Converse rate, United States dollars to Doge. Dogecoin value expectation for later week and month. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, February 20. Really least cost $0.084. Genuinely greatest $0.096, and toward the day's end, cost $0.090 a coin. Doge to United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday, February 21. Sort of least cost $0.081, fundamentally most extreme $0.093, and by the day's end, cost $0.087 a coin. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, February 22. Least cost $0.086 in every practical sense. Most extreme $0.100, and toward the day's end, cost $0.093 a coin, or so they thought. Doge to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, February 23. Fundamentally least cost $0.087. Greatest $0.101, and by the day's end, cost $0.094 a coin. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, February 24. Least cost $0.086, greatest $0.100, and by the day's end, cost $0.093 a coin. In multi-week Doge to United States dollars expectations on Monday, February 27. Truly least cost $0.086. Truly greatest $0.100, and by the day's end, cost $0.093 a coin. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, February 28. Least cost $0.087, for the most part greatest $0.101, and by the day's end, cost $0.094 a coin. Doge to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, walk 1. Least cost $0.087 in every practical sense. Most extreme $0.101, and by the day's end, cost $0.094 a coin, in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, walk 2. For the most part least cost $0.078. Greatest $0.090, and by the day's end, cost $0.084 a coin, which really is genuinely huge. Doge to United States dollars expectations on Friday, walk 3. Least cost $0.076, kind of greatest $0.088, and by the day's end, cost $0.082 a coin, which generally is genuinely huge. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, walk 6. Most certainly least cost $0.079, fundamentally greatest $0.091, and toward the day's end, cost $0.085 a coin in a sort of enormous manner. Doge to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, walk 7. Fundamentally least cost $0.076. Greatest $0.088, and by the day's end, cost $0.082 a coin, in a for the most part enormous manner. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 8. In every way that really matters, least cost $0.074, especially most extreme $0.086, and toward the day's end, cost $0.080 a coin in a fundamentally significant manner. Doge to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, walk 9. Lovely least cost $0.074, most extreme $0.086, and by the day's end, cost $0.080 a coin in a significant manner. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, walk 10. In every way that really matters, least cost $0.077. Truly most extreme $0.089, and toward the day's end, cost $0.083 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. In 3 weeks Doge to United States dollars expectations on Monday, walk 13. Least cost $0.073, exceptionally most extreme $0.085, and by the day's end, cost $0.079 a coin, which explicitly is very critical. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 14. Least cost $0.074, greatest $0.086, and by the day's end, cost $0.080 a coin in a fundamentally huge manner. Doge to United States dollars forecasts on Wednesday, walk 15, least cost $0.078, greatest $0.090, and by the day's end, cost $0.084 a coin, which for the most part is very huge. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, walk 16, least cost $0.077, most extreme $0.089, and by the day's end, cost $0.083 a coin, which is genuinely critical. Doge to United States dollars forecasts on Friday, walk 17, beautiful least cost $0.079, genuinely most extreme $0.091, and by the day's end, cost $0.085 a coin in an essentially significant manner. In about a month, Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, walk 20, beautiful least cost $0.080, kind of greatest $0.092, and toward the day's end, cost $0.086 a coin, which by and large is genuinely critical. Doge to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, walk 21, especially least cost $0.083, essentially most extreme $0.095, and by the day's end, cost $0.089 a coin, which by and large is very huge. United States dollars to Doge conversion standard remained at 11.4890 coins per $1. Today's reach, 11.2867 11.5048 in an all things considered significant way. Yesterday's nearby, 11.3973. Or so they fundamentally thought. The change, plus 0.0917. Plus 0.80%. United States dollars to Doge gauge for later, week and month in a very significant way. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Monday, February 20. By the day's end conversion scale 11.11 coins, really least 10.42, and most certainly greatest 11.90. United States dollars to Doge forecasts on Tuesday, February 21. By the day's end conversion scale 11.49 coins, fundamentally least 10.75 and truly greatest 12.35 in a sort of significant manner. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, February 22. By the day's end swapping scale 10.75 coins, most certainly least 10.00 and especially greatest 11.63, which is genuinely critical. United States dollars to Doge expectations on Thursday, February 23. By the day's end conversion scale 10.64 coins, lovely least 9.90, and most certainly greatest 11.49, which is genuinely critical. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Friday, February 20.